imagine yourself in this 2010 Jeep Patriot Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are ABS, adjustable steering wheel, auxiliary audio input, brake assist, bucket seats, child safety locks, engine immobilizer, fog lamps and front disc rear drum brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.